the morning? And who told the ocean you can only come this far? And who showed the moon where to hide till evening? Whose words alone can catch a falling star? Well, I know my Redeemer lives. I know my Redeemer lives. Let all creation testify that His love wouldn't make cry. I know my Redeemer lives. The very same God that speaks in obey unto the weary, the worn and the weak, and the same gentle hands that hold me when I'm broken. They conquer death, bring me victory. Well, I know my Redeemer lives. I know my Redeemer lives. Let all creation testify that His love wouldn't be cry. I know my Redeemer, He lives to take away my shame, and He lives forever. I'll proclaim that the payment for my sin was the precious that He gave, but now He's alive and there's an empty grave. Well, I know my Redeemer lives. I know my Redeemer lives. Sing loud of creation, testify that His life will be good. I know my Redeemer. Yes, I know. Yes, Lord, my Redeemer lives, Lord. I know my Redeemer lives. Yes, I know. I know my Redeemer. He lives, my Redeemer lives. Yes, I know my Redeemer.